Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video from me. In this video, I'm going to speak about unbelievable or unexpected or even dumb things people have said to me regarding my hair. So similar to my previous video where I did dumb things that I did to my hair myself, this is like a follow-up to that video where this is dumb or unexpected or unbelievable things that people have said to me regarding my hair. In that video I had 3 things, and in this video I'll have 3 items or 3 stories or 3 sayings or 3 things as well. So hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned to hear the unbelievable things that have happened to me because of my hair. So you guys, the first thing is, and this is the most recent thing, this happened last Christmas 2015, where I had someone, a guy that I really did not know, come up to me and start smelling my hair out of the blue. Really, I know, crazy. I was at a Christmas party thrown by one of my cousins, and while I was there in the kitchen, you know, chit-chatting with all my other cousins, all the other girls, I kept feeling like someone is tugging on my hair. And each time I would turn around, there's a guy behind me, but he just looked like he was doing nothing. So I turned back around, kept talking like nothing happened, and I'll feel someone tug on my hair again. Turn around, same thing. This young kid, tall, maybe like no more than 20 to 25, is behind me, and he just acting like he's eating, but he's not saying anything. And I'm like, am I going crazy? So I feel this slight tug again, and I turn around, and it's him, and he has my hair just smelling my hair. Like, I was just like, what? Now, he was a cousin of my cousin, but he wasn't my cousin. So my cousin's party that I went to, he was her cousin, but he wasn't my cousin. And I've never seen him before. It was my first time meeting him. So I looked and I was like, what are you doing? And then my cousin, who was having the party, she also has locks. She said it's just something that he does, that he has a thing for hair, and he likes to smell, people with locks like to smell their hair. And I was like, really, why? And he just kept saying he just loves the way hair smells. He loves to smell locks. He loves to smell people's hair. So he just wanted to smell my hair. Thank God my hair was clean and it didn't smell bad. But I just found it very uncomfortable. And I didn't want to show up and show out because I was with family. So I was just like, okay, that's enough. Leave it alone. Thank you for smelling my hair. Goodbye. And that was the end of that. But it was just weird that he just came out of nowhere. Like I said, never met him before. And he just started smelling my hair. And I was just like, okay. Story number 2. This one is a little bit weird only because it happened in a professional setting. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I do work in a professional setting. I work in corporate America, and I am in the managerial role. So this was about 2 years, maybe a year or 2 ago. I was traveling a lot from location to location when I was trained to be a manager, and my job was basically to cover locations where the manager was going to be out on vacation or whatever. So one of the managers was going on vacation. He called me up and said, can you please come cover my location for a day or 2 while I'm away? And I was like, okay, no problem, because I didn't have a location of my own yet. Long story short, I go to this location. I've been there before, and there's a gentleman that works there, and in the past, when I've been there, he's always told me how much he loves my hair. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, whatever. But this time, I don't know why I curled my hair, and I went to the location, and as soon as I walked in the door, all eyes on me from him. Because as he explained it, he always admired my locks, my hair, but it was just something about the way it was curled. Like, it just made it look much bigger, more fuller, and he was just like, oh my gosh, in awe with the big, thick curls. So all day he kept complimenting me on my curls, how my hair looks nice, blah, blah, blah. Mind you, I'm his manager, acting manager, for, because his real manager is out and I'm acting manager. So I'm his manager. So it's getting a little bit like, okay, I get it. You like my hair, get back to work, see you later. Out of nowhere, he comes up, he's like, man, I just want to eat your hair. And I'm like, what? What? You do realize we're at work, right? He's like, I know, but I just want to just put your hair between 2 bread like a sandwich. You just eat it. It's just so luscious. I just want to
eat your hair.
And I was like, whoa, really? Thank you. Like I said, this one was very awkward because I was in my professional environment, and here's an employee of mine technically saying that he wants to eat my hair. No. But with that situation, I left it alone for the rest of the day. He just kept complimenting me. I didn't make a big deal about it because I wasn't going to go back to that location again. But it was just like, really, like, you understand we're at work. You know, I know my hair looks nice. Thank you. Not conceited, just confident. But it's like, you want to eat my hair? He was just like, yeah, I want to just wrap it up in a sandwich and just hold it and just eat it. And I was like, oh, okay. All right. Needless to say, when the day was done, I said goodbye to everyone, goodbye to that team, and never went back to that location again. So that was the second weird thing that has happened to me because of my hair. Last thing, and this from another guy too. Really, all three instances were from guys. This was a few years back, maybe 3 or 4 years back. I was walking around my neighborhood. I went to the store, and as I am walking back home from the store, this guy, and I hate when guys say this. They're like, psst, psst, yo ma. Like, who are you talking to? No. First of all, yo ma is not my name. Yo ma I do not answer to. Psst, psst, who? No. Anyway, he kept trying to, get my attention, call out to me. And I just kept walking. And this was his comment, you guys. I swear. He was like, yo ma, can I talk to you for a minute? I never been with a chick that had locks before. Like, I never been with a chick that had locks before. So basically what you're telling me is you're interested in me because of my locks. Like, this is on your bucket list of things to do is, be with a chick that has had locks. Like, shouldn't there be more to me? Shouldn't there be, like, more towards my personality, not because I have locks? So you're trying to speak game to me, and you're trying to tell me that the reason why you want to talk to me and stop me from walking home, minding my business, is because I have locks, and you've never been with a chick with locks before. Really? Okay, no. Keep walking. Goodbye. Have a good day. I did not stop to turn around and talk to him because, first of all, you do not address me as your ma, and you do not pss, pss. And the fact that you want to talk to me because I have locks is the only reason why you want to talk to me. Goodbye. Have a good day. We're done. As you can see, a lot of funny things has happened to me because of my hair. But that's just life. But if you guys have any funny stories or any unbelievable sayings or anything that weird has happened to you because of your hair or with your hair, you feel free to do a video response to this and, tag me so I can see the video, or leave a comment in the description bar so we can laugh together, kiki together, have some fun, and just giggle at the weird, unexpected things that has happened to us because of our hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so don't forget to check those out. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying these videos from me, and always make sure you guys are enjoying your journey. Bye!